Your mental health is intrinsically linked to your financial well-being. Did you know that? Stress, pressure, overwhelm, productivity, even your mental clarity can be impacted when you're worried about money. Money, in my opinion, is a vehicle, and it helps to underpin your life so that you can have, be, or do the things that bring you joy as much as it brings you exactly what you need. When you're not organised, you feel like you're completely out of control with your income and your expenses, and it can feel really awful and a huge mountain to climb. So much so that managing it becomes a bit of a distant memory, and you might even stop opening those envelopes from the bank or important looking letters about your credit card. How you feel about money, the earning of it, the spending of it, the saving of it, will have evolved over the years, but certainly it will have been fundamentally ingrained in you as an opinion as a child. These would have come from how your family spoke about it, how they managed it, how they enjoyed it, how maybe they had shared judgmental views about their friends and neighbours over it, and also how hard they worked for it. You know the cost of living crisis is here, and the next couple of years are going to be really challenging for most of us. So not getting your foundation sorted sooner rather than later, you might start to feel the pressure more than you need to. Now, as the late great Jim Rohn said, and I'm totally paraphrasing this, he said, "The economic wind blows on us all, so it's the set of our sails that determines our direction in life." This step-by-step, warmly written plan makes sure that you're firmly at the core of how to manage your money, and it's not just a cold accounting system. I know you'll find you've been wasting money, so therefore you'll find more money to spend on the lovely things in life. Your beautiful 32-page ebook is going to be your education, your inspiration, and your workbook. You can print it, you can use it as a guide whilst writing in your notebook, or use your tablet to write on. So this is your fully customizable 12-month cash flow spreadsheet. It's been made on Google Sheets, so it's really, really simple to use, and you can see the magic happen as you enter your income and your expenses. This beautiful spreadsheet is going to empower you to do your portion control properly so that all of your needs and as many of your wants as possible are met. This will show you how to easily filter your money down to your guilt-free spending money. No more arguing because one of you has bought something crap again. It's also going to allow you to get really super organised in such a way that suits you best for all of your life admin stuff. So this is exactly what I wish I had about some sort of 25 years ago when I was setting out in life. I have found this to be a really cathartic experience in making it, and I hope you're going to really enjoy it if this is for you. The three things I think I would say that you would get out of it the most, in terms of how you feel, would be that you're going to feel really in control. You're going to feel energised and find a life skill that you didn't know you had before, or maybe just hone one that you kind of use but not that frequently or not that well. You're going to be able to breathe. Money worries can give you that awful sense of anxiety that sort of stops you from feeling like you've got that sense of freedom. You're going to feel like a really exciting bubble of opportunity that's coming up for you, I think, which is going to help you to realise what you really want to achieve in life. Perhaps is more possible than you thought. And thirdly, any confusion that you have been feeling, or any sort of sense of like overwhelm and all this money coming in, all the money going out, and all different dates, it's going to completely unravel and calm that chaotic mind for you. You're going to smile because you're going to realise that you're well and truly on your way to a really good, healthy relationship with money, which is, after all, your financial well-being. Thanks for watching.